In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Dropbox from opening automatically when you start your computer. This is a handy little tweak if you're looking to boost your system's startup speed, or if you simply prefer to run applications only when you need them. Let's dive right in. Start by heading down to your taskbar, which you'll find nestled at the very bottom right corner of your screen. There, you should see the Dropbox icon, usually looking like a little open box. Go ahead and right-click that icon. Doing this will bring up a small menu of options. The key here is that we're going to manage some settings to customize how Dropbox behaves when you start up your computer. In the menu that appears, look for your profile picture, or if you haven't set one, your initials might be showing instead. Once you find it, click on it, and a drop-down menu will spring into action, presenting you with a couple of different choices. From these options, you want to select Preferences. Sometimes this will also be marked as Settings, often accompanied by a little gear icon for easy spotting. This is where we'll be making our adjustments. Next, you'll find yourself in the Preferences window. Take a moment to look around. You'll notice several tabs at the top. We're focusing on the General tab today, so go ahead and click on that. This section is essentially the control panel for your Dropbox settings, impacting how the application runs in the background and how it interacts with your computer's startup sequence. Once you're in the General tab, direct your attention to the section that talks about startup options. You are specifically looking for a line that reads something like, "Open Dropbox upon startup." This option is typically checked by default, meaning Dropbox will automatically launch every time you power up your computer. To prevent this from happening, simply click the checkbox to unselect it. This easy change will free up some system resources and trim a bit of time off your computer's startup routine. A small change with noticeable benefits. Lastly, after unchecking the box, you'll want to ensure your changes are locked in. Look around for an OK or Apply button. Both have the same purpose in this context. Click on it, and your new settings will be saved. That's it. You've successfully configured Dropbox to stop opening automatically when your computer starts up. Thank you for joining me today. It's always empowering to take control of your device's settings, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you found this video useful, feel free to like and subscribe for more practical tips and tech tricks. See you in the next video.